beauties, welcome back to my channel. Here we are today. I am back with another video, trying to be consistent here on YouTube for you guys. For today's video, I am going to be doing a video on how to get out of the door quick but still look good, or like how to get ready fast and still look presentable type of thing. But I want to do this for the people that work in the morning. They have to get ready, they have to apply makeup, make it super easy, you know, something really quick that you can do like 15 minutes in the morning. If you want to learn how to get ready quick, get out the door and still look good, still look presentable, then keep on watching. Oh hi, you decided to stay. Okay, so let me just put some Vaseline because my lips are chapped. Y'all don't understand, chapped. Like when I say chapped. Let's begin. So I'm gonna start with brows. Usually when I do my brows, I take some translucent powder and just apply it to the brows because I already have like product on my skin. I already have moisturizer and all that. But make sure that you moisturize, make sure that you're doing your skincare. And if you need a nighttime skincare video to watch, or you know, some skincare tips and tricks that you may be looking for, go ahead and watch my nighttime skincare routine and makeup removal process and all of that. I will link it here somewhere, and it'll also be down below in my description box, so go ahead and go watch that. You don't want to miss that video. It has some gems in it, so go watch it. For brows, I'm going to be using the Brow Stylist Definer by Loreal. I have been using this product forever now. I can't even tell you like how long, how many years, because it's been a long time. I have used the, I need a clip. I'm just going to clip my hair back here because, you know, I have used the ABH Brow Wiz and it's alright. It's good, but for $23 when you can get this one for $8 or however much it is, it's, you know, half the price of it. Why not get this instead? For these types of looks, I like to just keep my brows very natural looking, and for that reason I'm just going to go in with a light hand, and it shouldn't be too hard, you know. Just focus on filling in the sparse areas of your brows, outlining the brow a little bit, but making it look, you know, more natural. Because if this is for work, or if this is for you to like go run errands or something, you know, you want to look put together, but you don't want to look, you know, like you're going out somewhere and you're going to a party, or, you know, like the Instagram makeup. It's pretty much one brow. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but this didn't even take me like a minute, or maybe like just took me a minute. So I usually just take a minute on each brow. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do the other brow. Like I said, it's really only going to take me a minute. Trust me, you guys, this is a 15-minute or less makeup look. Alright, you guys, so the brows are now done. Next step is to clean them up. So I have a funny story for you guys while I do this. Anyways, my little story time that isn't so much a story time, but today is election day. It is November 3rd, and I went out and I voted early this morning. I made sure that I was gonna go early. I went, I voted, I got my sticker and everything. I showed my boyfriend, I was FaceTiming him when he was at work, that I voted and I had my sticker, and I was ready to take a boomerang, you know, showing that I voted and all that. But I don't know what happened to my sticker. It just disappeared. But actually I was getting out of the car, came up here, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna take my picture once I'm home. And then I couldn't find it. I looked everywhere. I took off my jacket that I had on because it was cold this morning, and I was looking everywhere. I went back downstairs, went into my car. I swear I went back into my car like 3 times because I was like determined to get the sticker. I'm like, I just had the sticker. Where the hell did it go? I voted. That's all that matters, and that's it. So the sticker is gone somewhere in the wind. I don't know. I'm actually gonna apply a little more moisturizer. I did tell you guys that I already had it on, but I want to apply a little more. And the one that I'm using is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I live and die by this moisturizer. If you guys don't have it yet, you guys are missing out. So for primer, I'm actually running out of primer too. I'm gonna have to shop the Sephora sale even though I want to, because I don't want to be spending money. For primer, I'm taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. And I love this primer with foundations that are super hydrating or luminous or dewy. Also, I would recommend that if you're trying to get out the door quick, Get a primer that you can just apply and it just quickly absorbs into your skin. That primer, it really absorbs into my skin because technically you're supposed to wait till the primer, you know, does its job and settles in. That primer just settles into my skin right away, so I can just go right in with the foundation and I don't have to be there waiting. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 203. I'm just gonna take a little bit. And I like to take it in the back of my hand. You guys already know, if you follow me on Instagram and watch all my tutorials, I usually dot the foundation on. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush. And you could use a brush, you could use a sponge, whatever you prefer. Some people love to use a brush. They feel like it might be, you know, a little quicker. Or they just like the coverage that the brush may give them. Alright, you guys, so the foundation is now on, and I actually like how this foundation looks. I highly recommend for people that, I've used this foundation before, but I haven't used it in a while. This is a perfect foundation for somebody that has dry skin. It also has SPF in it. It just gives you a nice finish to your skin and it looks natural. So I highly recommend this foundation. Moving on to the next step, I'm gonna take some concealer, and I'm not gonna take much. I don't even have much here, but I'm gonna take just a little bit just to, you know, brighten up my under eyes, make myself look awake and put together again. So just gonna apply, this is what we're doing here. You can apply some here on your chin. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques sponge. I'm too lazy, to be honest with you guys. I'm too lazy to go run to the bathroom and wet this one. This is the one that I really love though. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, something like that it's called. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly blend this concealer. All right, so for the next step now, we're gonna move on to setting powder or your face powder, whatever you wanna apply. I'm actually going to go ahead and apply some Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm just gonna apply this underneath my eyes with the same sponge that I used to blend out the concealer. And this is just gonna make sure that your under eyes are set, you're not creasing, and I'm just gonna leave that on while I go ahead and apply some bronzer. I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Sunstalk'r bronzer in the shade Private Island. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my cheekbones to warm up my face and bring back some color. And this is gonna make you look even more awake, you know, make you look like you have a little bit of a tan going on, a little something like that. And by the way, you guys, is it too early to start decorating for Christmas and to put up the tree? Because I'm ready to put up the tree this weekend. I really am. I'm ready. I am so ready. My mom already has her tree up. She usually gets it. She usually puts her tree up like a couple of days before Halloween, or like a week or so before Halloween, and I'm not mad at that. I want to, you know, put my tree up already this weekend, so, you know, I don't care. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that powder from underneath my eyes. And really what I'm doing now is just patting it in, because I did not apply as much like I told you guys. So I'm just patting it in, making sure that it settles in well and it's not leaving any patches. And if you want to go ahead and apply some foundation powder, you can go ahead. I highly recommend the CoverGirl Clean Fresh pressed powder. I don't necessarily, you know, apply too much. I'm just going to take this powder puff from Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to go ahead and just apply it. And this is going to give you a little more coverage. This can be like an extra step, really. You can use the translucent powder to do this step instead of a pressed powder. For blush, we are going to take the Milani Luminoso blush. If you don't know about this blush, go and get it, apply it, and then thank me later and talk to me, because this blush is bomb. It's perfect for those natural days where you need a little bit of pop of color to look like, you know, you're awake, you're living, you have some life in you. So I'm gonna take this e.l.f. bronzing brush, which I use for blush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my cheekbones. And you guys are gonna see how it just brings color, and it's gonna have a little bit of sheen. I'm not gonna apply highlight today. I'm just gonna let this blush give me that little bit of, you know, glow and sheen. I hope that you guys can see this and that the camera is picking it up. And when I apply blush, I like to, you know, kind of smile, do the little Kris Jenner face. No shade to Kris Jenner, but, you know, her cheekbones are like all the way up here. So I make that face. You guys, my skin right now, Foundation, highly recommend. And for setting the face, I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz this. And if you don't already have this little mini fan, I highly recommend that you get it, especially if you're in a rush to get out. Alright, so now for mascara, I'm gonna take the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I really have no lashes at all. If you have lashes, you can get away, I guess, with just applying mascara and going. But I feel like if I was to do this little natural look and I was going to run errands or I was gonna go to work and I really just wanted to apply some makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes as well. For lashes, I'm gonna take the Kiss number 11 lashes, and this is also a drugstore lash brand. And I love these lashes. It just gives you that natural lash look. It almost looks like you have lash extensions on. So I really love this lash. I recommend doing this as you're doing another step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry. Put the lash glue on both of your lashes. And then what I'm gonna do is move on to my lips. For lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. You don't have to do this step. I feel like you could just apply lip gloss and go, but I kind of want to be extra today because I'm loving this makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my favorite nudes from the drugstore. This is L'Oreal Ferris Nude, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pat it in the center of my lips. You know. Perfect, and that's it. That's it for the lip. Guys, I'm really loving this look. Like, I didn't think it was gonna come out like this, but hey, I surprised myself.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
If you guys want a how to apply lash tutorial, whatever. I can't speak right now. Where's my tweezer? Okay, so as I was saying, if you guys want an in-depth how to apply false eyelash tutorial, then let me know. Comment down below. Make sure you comment because I will definitely do that this week for you guys. I will film it. I'm in need of content ideas for YouTube. So if you guys comment down below or even give this video a big thumbs up, I will appreciate that, and I will definitely do that for you guys. So look, that's it. How long did that take me? I did that, you guys, while I was talking to you so that you guys can see that you guys can do this. And it's not gonna take long, so if you're in a rush for work, just make sure that the glue's tacky and it's gonna go on. All right, so now I'm gonna just take the NYX Wonder Eye Pencil. You guys, I'm just tapping off the excess lipstick. I kinda want it to be like matte. Fixing myself up. I should just put some scrubs on right now and be like, all right, I'm ready to go to work. My makeup is done, hair is done as well. Trust me, I don't look like this when I go to work. I should take a picture and show you guys how I look because I do not look like this. This is how to get ready in less than 15 minutes for work, to run errands. You know, if you're in a rush and you don't have time to sit there and take hours to do a look. Look at the face. It looks so good. You see the little glow? That's the little glow from the blush. This is the Milani Luminoso blush. I highly recommend you guys go get this. It's a drugstore blush. You can get this at Walgreens, CVS, your drugstore, Target, Walmart, anywhere they sell makeup, pretty much. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell if you are subscribed. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys, and bye.